Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Mr. Bobbin or Malika, and today I'm going to be staying up for 24 hours. So right now it is 5:36 right now, January 5th, and I'll be staying up until 5 a.m. January 6th, which is my birthday. So today I'm going to be working on my Louvre sweater. I can't get it right now because she is currently on me, and there's Fury. But when I get up later, I'll show you guys how it looks, because that's what I'll be working on this entire video. I have to finish the collar. No, I want to finish the collar. I don't have to. I want to finish the collar and then start splitting for the raglan increases, so I can really get started on this sweater, because this is, I actually have to film this video, but I haven't even started that, but who cares. But yeah, so I'll be staying up for 24 hours with my sisters, and yeah, I don't remember why we're doing this. I have no idea why we're staying up for 24 hours, but we're doing it again. And usually I get tired around like 1 to like, you know, the beginning of whenever I woke up today, so 1 to 5 basically. So that's when I start getting tired. The entire day is like a breeze, but once that like 1 a.m. hits, I'm just like, I just want to sleep. So let's see if I get sleepy that time again. But I don't really know what I say for these videos. I kind of forgot, but all I know is that I'll be staying up for 24 hours. Oh yeah, and I'll try and update like the hourly update, but honestly I don't like keeping track of that, because that means I have to have like my phone on and be aware of the time. And when I'm knitting or crocheting, I don't care to be aware of the time. I just like doing what I'm doing, focusing on that. So I mean, I'll be in my sister's room, so I know when they update, it'll remind me to update. But I won't be updating like every single hour. I'm not even going to say what I'll do, because usually every time I say something I'll do, I never do that. So I'll just update whenever I can and whenever I feel like it. But just know that I am staying up for 24 hours. So yeah, and then I'll put the timestamp here so you guys can see the time if I do forget to like show the time on my phone. But yeah, that's really it. Louvre sweater, finishing collar. Yeah, I expect to get a lot done with this sweater, since I've barely done anything with this. So this is like literally perfect. I have 24 hours to focus on this sweater, no interruptions, no anything. And yeah, so that's really all I have to say for this intro. Yeah, I'll just update you guys, and then at 5 a.m. on January 6th I will end this video. So let's get it. Okay, guys, so it's...
Can you... Oh, you're... I didn't wear. Oh.
Don't do that. Dang, okay. It is 3:06 right now, and I just finished the collar. That's how it looks. Now I'm getting ready to split for the raglan increases and do that. So, let's get it. So, guys, it is, oh my gosh, it's 10:09 right now, and I finished the German short rows. It doesn't seem like I did anything because this is how it looks so far. This is so funny. This is the front, I guess. I don't know, but this is how it looks so far. I literally got like this much done today because when I first started I had like that much done. So I got a lot done, but now I'm going to go in my room to watch movies with my sisters to pass some time and to keep us up. So, and then I'll be working on my raglan increases, I think. Yeah, raglan increases and do that. So let's get it. Happy birthday! It's 12 o'clock.
What? Oh, shoot! Happy birthday! Oh, shoot! Brief intermission. It's Malika's birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! 22? Yep, she's 22. Yep. Taylor Swift year. It's so blurry on her. We also have 5 more hours until we're done. We'll find
do. This is a great update.
And we're almost done with Now You See Me 1, and then we'll watch Now You See Me 2.
Yep.
I'm actually not that tired
She's
anymore.
filming for her channel, so I'm just like feeling the content.
I'm actually not that tired anymore because I started connecting.
Anyway, it's my birthday now, but forget that. I'm doing really good with my increases. This is so much better than the... It's not a sweatshirt sweater. Oh my gosh, I could not continue that. But this is so much better. I love working with thin yarn because it looks like so nice and stuff. But yeah, 12 o'clock now. Still watching the movie with my sisters. And yeah, we'll just stay up till 5 o'clock.
5:30.
For you.
Did you start knitting at 5?
Yeah.
Lies.
See ya. Okay guys, so I didn't film yesterday because right when it hit 5 a.m. gone sleeping, didn't care to do an outro, so I'm here now to show you guys what I got done. So yesterday I really started off like, had like this much yesterday, and I have this much now, which is insane. You can see my raglan increases right, hold on, where is it? Okay, I see it. You can see it like right here and right here, and then in the front it's right there, and anyway, somewhere. But this is how much I got done, which is insane because honestly I barely even thought I would have finished. Window, my door is open. I was like, how is a cat in here? Anyway, I barely thought I would have finished the collar alone. I thought like that would have taken me the entire 24 hours, because working with like DK weight is not like, it does not go by fast at all. So I thought that's the only thing I would have been able to get done, but that's why I couldn't see any. Is that why I couldn't see anything? Was it the other way around? Anyway, who cares? But yeah, I got a lot done. Super proud of myself. I'm gonna continue working on it today after I like take pictures and stuff for my birthday, because I made a shirt, so I want to take pictures in that today. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's literally 8 o'clock right now. Don't ask me why I'm up, but I'm up and ready for the day. I don't know what I'm doing today. It's usually, my birthday is usually just like a regular day. Don't really do anything, maybe watch movies with the family, but other than that, turn of age and it's normal. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I have to say for this video, and I have no idea when I'm posting this because I have to post my birthday top video today, so I have like no idea. I guess like I can post it, I have to post it Tuesday, so I guess that's what I will do. It's the only thing that makes sense, honestly. So So yeah, I guess that's when I'll be posting it. But that is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and since you guys enjoyed it so much, be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you be notified whenever I post another video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.